Hi, this is Shankar, and I'm trying to make this video to analyze the horoscopes of certain politicians in terms of what is there in store with them. Now, most of the politicians, we do not know the right date of birth, so this is an endeavor in which I'm trying to use my Bhrigu Nadi system and the Bhrigu Paddhati along with certain other methods which I have understood, where the time is not very critical, and we are analyzing those people who have already made a name for themselves, trying to see what will be in store for them in the coming few months with the elections coming. Well, I'm trying to analyze the horoscope of Shri Lalu Prasad Yadav, a very important political person from Bihar. Method used is the Bhrigu Nadi technique, where I have taken the rotation of Jupiter as a propellant of soul, and also there is a particular sign and a year which becomes very important from the natal position also. So both the signs are taken into consideration. One is from rotation of Jupiter, and second is a particular sign which becomes important for a particular year, but which I cannot go in details. But what is important here is the time is not very critical, but what is important is the day, month, and the year of being born, and we know that they are people who are important. So we are seeing what would be this particular year for them. So for Shri Lalu Prasad Yadav, the time, the date taken is 6th. Month is November 1957. So 6th November 1947, city born is Gopalganj. He would have completed in the month of June, let's say, he would have completed his 66th year, 11 months or 21 days. So let us take 67th year into consideration. That is, he's running a 67th year. When we take 67th year into consideration, it would be 67th year into consideration, it would be 7th house from the natal Jupiter. If we take 7th house from natal Jupiter into consideration, it would be the sign Taurus, which has a Rahu. The lord of Taurus is Venus, which goes back into Scorpio, but it is with Jupiter and Ketu. If we rotate Jupiter, then Jupiter would be 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. It would be in 60 to 72 would be the sign of Aries, and the 67th year would be again governed by the 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 60, 72, 72. 7th would be governed by the sign of Libra. Now here in the sign of Libra, he has a debilitated sun with Mercury, which is not good, which shows that he will not get up, get the highest position which sun can give. I mean, it is not that a ministerial position or things to that effect is not there, because a debilitated sun is there, and its deposit of Venus has gone in the 2nd house with it, with Jupiter and Ketu, which is again a reduction, which is not very good. But the most important thing here is that because of the impact of because if we look at both the critical signs, that is Taurus and Libra has Sun and Mercury, Sun debilitated, I said, and Mercury there, and then Taurus has Rahu. So the whole situation would be that there will be tension, there will be confusion, there will be transparency will not be there. That would be the state of affair for his age of 67th year. There will be confusion, there will be tension, transparency will not be there, there will be activities against him. So this would happen in the 67th year, and the year would be such that there would be a pull down, but because of Jupiter being there, he would be able to retain a kind of importance which is there. He will not lose relevance for sure. There is a pull down, but there is confusion, there is chaos, there is tension, there is non-transparency. I do not see him occupying a very high position, but because Jupiter being there and Venus being with Jupiter and Ketu, a pull down is there, but the relevance of the native is surely going to remain. This is my take on the horoscope for his year, that is the 67th year. Thanks. Bye for now.